What is a common noun? Mayu common noun. A common noun is waliba waaye a name magac given la siiyo to any person of walba, place goob kasta, or ama things shay walba of the same kind oo isku xal or ama class oo isku dabaqe markii la kaleeyay common noun-ka. For example, book ledeba book kenti yaala iki Mareykan yaala book leskay common walisla wadaaga. Examples tusaalayaal people dad king boqor president madaxweyne teacher macalin. Go animals qeybtiyo snake mas lion libaax cat nyaw place goob school iskool office xafiis shop dukaan things shayyaasha cellphone telephone book pen qalan. List of common noun antolbanin yaala list of common noun time waqti year sanad people dad driver darawal day maalin man nin thing shay woman naag teacher macalin child cunug ama kale unug world adduun school iskool group koox country wadan problem dhibaato hand gacan part qeyb place goob car gaare week asbuuc ama setimaan company shirkad system nidaam program barnaamij school iskool iskool book family famil student arday question su'aal work shaqo government dowlad number lambar